So today we're taking a look at this laser leveler. Alright, so it comes in this nice hard carrying shell. Nice little carrying case. If we open this up, we can see all of our accessories inside here, but we're going to give you a closer look and closer demonstration of all. So here is the unit itself. It actually looks very nice and clean. Lock and unlock settings on the side, lasers all around. It does come with a remote control, and they do provide the battery as well, so that's nice. Tripod and adjuster, charging cable, manual, laser leveler, guide, and the battery pack, which is Type-C rechargeable. It's really nice. And you can even check the battery level. Very impressed. Press and hold the power button to turn it on, and then we can see the laser. You guys can see the floor line. So it goes by the level of the laser. Again, you can adjust. And I'm doing this during the day so you guys can see how easily you can see. So you can adjust the height, the measurements on it. Also, here, let's do it over here so you guys can see a little bit better. But the laser definitely is nice. Easily see it. And there's a lot of settings that you guys can adjust. Like, when I mean a lot of settings, there's a lot of settings. You can adjust the brightness of it. Overall, one of the better laser levelers I have seen in a long time.